what it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This once. We're Not Say, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. Zian. I'm your host, Vince the Fireboy, aka Preacher P, and this is another episode of And Also. And on today's episode of And Also, I'm taking you around Dpus. They have a Moncler and Canada Goose sale up to 30, possibly 40% off, and it's on, today is Friday the 18th, I believe, and it's on Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So if you see this in time, come down, check out the guys, and yeah, I'm just gonna sort of take you a little walk around and show you what's what. Alright gang, I'll see you on the flip side. I'm just gonna show you the stuff they got. Look, they got a lot of stuff, guys. They've got a lot of stuff, and look at prices. That's like £100 off. See, £100 off, guys. Right, they got some really good stuff. I'm just gonna walk you through. Sorry, sir. No, it's alright.
Someone filming.
Hello, sir. How you doing? Good. See, look, Canada Goose, 450 to 300. That's 150 off. You look, again, 450 to 350. That's a ton off. I'm just gonna show you the rackets. Look, they got some faux fur bits, some puffer bits for the ladies. If you want to get your missus something, do you know what I mean? You got more than enough. Look, got some of this stuff here. I'm just gonna give you a quick walk around, and then later on I'll get someone to sort of walk me through all the bits that they've got. Alright? So look, masses of Canada Goose, 1050 to 850, that's 200 quid off, do you know what I'm saying? Proper coat, proper, do you know what I mean? Proper bits. Look, you got this really dope piece here, that sort of aviator jacket right there. See, look, they got like the aviator, which is very nice. That is $895 to $699, very good, you know what I'm saying? I love this colour and I love this style. I feel like I'm going Top Gun. Look, you got your Moncler bits, fragment design. You know, if you know about fragment, you know about fragment. If you don't, get to know. So look at this, really good. From, my eyes are bad, from 1100 to 695. I mean, you're not gonna find that, are you? So definitely get yourself down, guys. If it's still here, of course. You can't be wasting time. You got some nice Moncler sort of sweat bits. Got some track stuff, really nice. Got like little track bottoms. So you got some, like, as we say, you know, from back in the day, off-key pieces that you won't find everywhere, or you don't see every day, shall I say. 875 to 499. That's pretty dope. It's like a Nautica kind of thing, but obviously way more expensive. Moncler, you know. You've got the, you know, the sort of the patent. I don't know what. I'm not really up on my Moncler, so I don't want to say the wrong thing, but it's like, you know, like the patent leather kind of thing. That effect that they have. Boom. So you've got that beautiful red right there. Got some nice knits. Again, this is 675 to 399. Super dope. If you want a dope Christmas jumper, you can usurp all your friends and go Moncler while they go, you know, Primark jumper. Oh, this is really nice. 350 from 630. That's ridiculous. That is a beautiful discount. I'm dwelling because there's so many nice pieces. Look at this piece here, 495 to 295. Really nice. That's a really nice piece actually. I like that. I might even be interested. Find out what size it is in a minute. Of course, you got your polos, tracksuits, you got your nets. Oh look, you got little tie-dye Moncler right there.
Good luck, see you later.
Really nice bit, sort of like a smock kind of thing, a schmock, little overhead schmock. Oh, you got like your oversized coat here, like a jacket. See the labels, everything official, as you know with Dpus, always official. You know what I'm saying? Always great prices. So have a cheeky little look. I do like this oversized. It's very nice, man. Very nice. And they got it in the black as well. And that was $8.45 down to $4.99, so super discount on that. Then you got the whites, you got some nice sort of off-key colours like a lime green, super dope. Right, look at this piece here for the missus, I believe. Oh, look, really nice. So that's like 1195 to 895. Super dope. Super dope, man. And you just got some dope pieces. Jackets, gilets. The guys are just getting busy, as you can see. Everyone's just working, getting ready for the big drop. So there's people outside already. I'm going to talk to the people outside. Boom. So look, Canada Goose bits, like proper heavy duty bits, as you can see. I'll just sort of give you a quick head count there. Alright, let me take you down so you can see. So look, they got shoes, they got polos, they got shoes galore, Moncler, bits of different bits. I'll just show you, look. Got proper knitted bits. Good prices as well. So what's that? $225, $175. Oops. I want to drop it. Velvet. Proper. Look at that. Feel that. Well, you can't feel it, but you can see it. And look, you see. And then you got some Canada Goose bits. Oh, who's that? That's me. I think that is me. We've got some Moncler bits. Bags. Yes, bro. You alright? Yeah, how are you, man? And the jackets, of course, see, we've got the shoes. And these are like proper, you know what I mean, leather. You see, really nice. Here's Rob, Mastermind. Rob's got the fresh feet.
Do you think we're about just open up a bit earlier?
And check out, let's say hello to the gang. Oh shit, the queue's bigger. Alright guys. Sorry, if you don't want to be on camera, my bad. I'm just going around. Just got the gun, queues, super long. Going all the way around. Let's come back. Alright, so they might open the doors a bit earlier. We'll see. See what go on. Thank you.